What if one company could transform how we travel, power our homes, and interact with technology? Tesla is not just building cars, it's creating an ecosystem powered by AI, renewable energy, and robotics, reshaping entire industries. With ambitious plans for autonomous transportation, energy innovation, and groundbreaking AI, Tesla's potential stretches far beyond traditional automakers. In this video, we'll unpack Tesla's financials, strategies, and bold vision to explore why investors believe it could redefine the future. Buckle up, this is more than a business, it's a revolution in progress.
Tesla's financial performance in 2024 reflects its ability to navigate a challenging economic landscape. Q1 2024 performance. Despite a 9% decline in revenue year over year, Tesla generated $12 billion in GAAP operating profits. This resilience is significant given the broader automotive slowdown, rising interest rates, and increased competition. It highlights Tesla's ability to weather economic headwinds. Q2 2024 recovery. Revenue increased to $255 billion, a 2% YOY growth, signaling signs of recovery. Operating cash flow surged by 18% to $13 billion in free cash flow. Although vehicle deliveries declined by 5%, Tesla's strategic pricing adjustments and product mix optimization offset some of the impact. Tesla's operational resilience stems from its ability to think beyond traditional car manufacturing. Unlike most automakers, Tesla invests heavily in future-oriented technologies like AI and robotics, positioning itself as a tech-driven innovator rather than a conventional automaker. Recurring revenue, the robotaxi vision. Tesla's strategy to create recurring income streams is a game changer. Traditional car manufacturers rely on one-time profits per vehicle sale, typically between $5,000 and $10,000. In contrast, Tesla's vision for a robotaxi fleet offers the potential for significantly higher recurring profits, ranging from $80,000 to $90,000 per car annually. Each Tesla is designed to be upgradable with over-the-air software updates, making them ready for autonomous driving when the technology and regulations align. This approach positions Tesla to capitalize on the robotaxi market, unlocking a multi-billion-dollar revenue stream with global scalability. Data advantage and AI integration. Tesla's data strategy is a cornerstone of its competitive edge. The company has amassed over 35 billion miles of real-world driving data, far surpassing any competitor. This dataset fuels Tesla's AI systems, enabling rapid advancements in autonomous driving and beyond. Tesla's AI strategy extends beyond vehicles. The development of Optimus, Tesla's humanoid robot, demonstrates the company's ambitions in robotics. Optimus is progressing faster than anticipated and could become a key component of Tesla's ecosystem, performing tasks like household chores or industrial functions. This unparalleled integration of AI and robotics positions Tesla as a leader in the broader AI industry, not just within the automotive sector. The energy ecosystem. Tesla's energy division is often overshadowed by its automotive business, but it plays a critical role in the company's long-term vision. The Powerwall, solar roof, and energy storage solutions create a cohesive ecosystem that optimizes energy usage for consumers. Imagine a future where your Tesla car, Powerwall, and solar roof work together to power your home efficiently. Excess energy is sold back to the grid, generating passive income. AI-driven systems dynamically optimize energy consumption for maximum savings. Tesla's energy solutions aren't just products, they represent a paradigm shift toward a sustainable and interconnected energy future. Next-generation vehicle platform. Elon Musk has described Tesla's next-generation vehicle platform as a game changer. This new platform aims to cut production costs by 50%, increase affordability, making electric vehicles, EVs, accessible to a broader audience, maintain robust profit margins, giving Tesla a dominant position in the mass EV market. Competitors like Ford and General Motors are already grappling with the high costs of EV manufacturing, which puts Tesla in a strong position to outpace them in both cost efficiency and market penetration. Challenges and competitive landscape. Tesla's growth story isn't without hurdles. Key challenges include increased competition. Legacy automakers and new EV startups are intensifying the race for market share. Regulatory challenges. Autonomy and energy solutions require navigating complex regulatory environments globally. Economic pressures. High interest rates and inflation could dampen consumer demand for big-ticket purchases like vehicles and energy systems. Despite these challenges, Tesla's ability to innovate and adapt positions it well for long-term growth. Vision beyond automobiles. Tesla is not just an automaker, it's an ecosystem builder. Its vision extends to creating a seamless integration of AI, robotics, and energy solutions that redefine how people live and interact with technology. Imagine a day where your Tesla car autonomously drops you off at work, returns home to charge via solar power, and then picks up groceries for you. At home, the Optimus robot unloads the groceries and organizes them in your kitchen. Excess energy generated by your solar roof powers your household or contributes to the grid, reducing your energy costs. This cohesive vision is what makes Tesla uniquely positioned to lead not only the EV market, but also the future of technology-driven lifestyles.
So, I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments below your feedback. Until the next video, stay safe.